Bertram Cellini 750. The Tabert Cellini 750 HTD 2.5 slide-out expands living space by 50% with one touch. Inside, it offers a queen bedroom, leather lounge, gourmet kitchen, and elegant bathroom. Blending innovation and luxury, this caravan is more than travel. It's a stylish home on wheels for comfort anywhere. 2002 Prevost XLT Liberty Coach. The 2002 Prevost XLT Liberty Coach delivers power, comfort, and elegance in motion. Featuring plush seating, a modern kitchen, private bedroom, and refined bathroom, it redefines motorhome living. With premium finishes and smooth performance, every journey feels first class, making it the perfect choice for luxury travel on the road. Newmar King Air. The King Air is a luxury motor coach that delivers unmatched comfort, style, and performance. Built on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, it's powered by a Cummins X diesel engine producing 605 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque. You can choose from 4 floor plans, each stretching 45 feet in length, with a full paint masterpiece finish exterior that gives it a striking presence on the road. Inside, the design is both spacious and elegant, featuring handcrafted wood cabinetry, designer window treatments, and electric floor heating. The King Air is equipped with modern conveniences such as a dishwasher, fireplace, washer and dryer, and even a TV lift. A king-size bed with a power lift ensures you can relax and recharge after a day of travel. The 2024 Newmar King Air isn't just a motor coach, it's a royal experience. Prevost XLT Liberty Coach. Known as the Elegant Lady, the Prevost XLT Liberty Coach is a vintage motorhome that elevates luxury travel. Powered by a Detroit Series 62.7L engine producing 500 horsepower, it has a mileage of 152,153. Its exterior features brand new tires and Prevost sliding seals, while inside it offers bus air with 120,000 BTUs of cooling power directly from the engine. Combining elegance, durability, and value, this coach remains a classic choice. 2024 Renegade Valencia 3.8 BB Class. The 2024 Renegade Valencia 3.8 BB Class motorhome blends modern design and comfort. Built for long journeys, it features premium finishes, practical layouts, and reliable performance. With its bold look and home-like feel, it delivers convenience and style, making it a standout for today's travelers. The Hummer H2 limousine is built to make a bold impression. It takes the rugged, commanding presence of the Hummer H2 and transforms it into a stretched, high-end limousine. Designed for those who want to travel in style, it can comfortably seat up to 20 passengers. Inside, luxury features include electric sliding doors, plush leather seating, advanced climate control, and a wide panoramic roof. Powering this massive vehicle is a 6.2-liter V8 engine that produces 393 horsepower, giving it the strength to handle almost any terrain. However, this limousine isn't meant for the faint of heart. It consumes a lot of fuel, averaging just 1 liter per 2 kilometers. With a staggering price tag of over ARP $10 billion, the Hummer H2 limousine is more than just a mode of transport. It is an extravagant statement of luxury and dominance on the road.